15 surprising reasons educated individuals face financial challenges. In this video, we dive into a compelling topic that resonates with many educated individuals, the unexpected reasons why they often encounter financial difficulties despite their academic achievements. The primary objective of this video is to uncover 15 surprising factors that contribute to this paradox, highlighting the intricacies of financial management that formal education alone may not address. Understanding these reasons is essential, as they have a significant impact on personal financial growth and stability. Many people assume that earning a degree equates to financial prosperity, but the reality is far more intricate. Through exploring these factors, we aim to offer valuable insights that will help viewers reevaluate their financial strategies and make well-informed decisions moving forward. Identifying these underlying challenges can empower individuals to break free from financial struggles and lay the foundation for a secure and prosperous future. We invite you to actively engage with us on this journey. Your thoughts and personal experiences are invaluable. Feel free to share your insights in the comments section below, as we believe that open discussions can help foster a supportive community where we can all learn from one another. Moreover, if you find this content beneficial and wish to stay updated on similar discussions, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel. Your support motivates us to create more content while also raising awareness about these crucial financial matters. Together, we can develop a deeper understanding of the financial landscape and equip ourselves with the necessary knowledge to navigate it successfully. Now, let's explore the 15 unexpected reasons why educated individuals frequently struggle financially and how awareness of these factors can lead to personal growth and improved financial well-being. Remember, the journey toward financial literacy is ongoing, and every effort toward understanding these challenges is a step toward empowerment. Join us as we delve into these reasons and uncover practical strategies to overcome them, ensuring that education translates into financial success. Your engagement is vital, so don't hesitate to share your thoughts, contribute your experiences, and subscribe for more insights that can guide you on your financial journey. Together, we can unlock the keys to financial stability and success, regardless of our educational backgrounds. In conventional education systems, a significant gap exists in financial education. Schools focus heavily on academic subjects such as mathematics, science, and literature, often neglecting the essential life skills necessary for sound financial management. This oversight can have profound consequences for students as they transition into adulthood. Take, for instance, the case of Daniel, a highly educated surgeon. Despite his impressive credentials and a well-paying career, Daniel struggles with financial management. Throughout his academic years, he was never taught fundamental skills such as budgeting, investing, or saving for retirement. Instead, his education emphasized complex medical procedures while leaving him uninformed about the financial implications of his substantial income. This lack of financial literacy can result in poor financial decisions, including accumulating unnecessary debt or failing to plan adequately for the future. Many individuals like Daniel find themselves unprepared to handle their finances, despite excelling in their professions. The absence of foundational financial knowledge creates a cycle of financial strain, where even high earners struggle due to a lack of essential money management principles. Financial literacy extends beyond balancing a checkbook. It includes understanding credit, strategic investing, and planning for long-term financial security. Unfortunately, these critical topics are often overlooked in favor of traditional academic subjects. Given this reality, it is imperative for individuals to seek financial education beyond the school system. Numerous resources, such as online courses, books, and workshops, are available to enhance financial literacy. By taking proactive steps toward financial education, individuals can acquire the knowledge and skills necessary to manage their finances effectively. Consuming financial literacy content can empower people to make better decisions, avoid common financial pitfalls, and ultimately achieve greater financial stability. In conclusion, the absence of financial education in traditional schooling is a major issue affecting many individuals irrespective of their academic achievements. By analyzing real-life scenarios such as Daniel's, we see the importance of seeking financial knowledge beyond formal education. It's time to take control of our financial futures by investing in financial literacy, ensuring that we are equipped to manage money wisely and build a secure financial foundation. A widely held belief is that earning a degree guarantees financial success. However, this assumption often leads to disappointment in the real world. To illustrate this, let's consider the story of Dr. Mike, a highly educated professional with a doctorate in a specialized field. Despite his academic achievements, Dr. Mike faced significant challenges in securing a stable job after graduation. He quickly realized that while his degree provided theoretical knowledge, it lacked the practical skills that employers prioritized. Dr. Mike's journey underscores the crucial lesson that in today's job market, skills and experience frequently outweigh formal education. Employers increasingly seek candidates who demonstrate adaptability, problem-solving abilities, and hands-on expertise. As industries evolve and technology advances, possessing a diverse skill set becomes essential. Eventually, Dr. Mike recognized the necessity of gaining practical skills that create value, prompting him to pursue additional training and hands-on experiences to enhance his employability. The shift in focus from degrees to skills is particularly relevant in today's evolving job market. Many traditional roles are being transformed or replaced by automation and technological advancements. Employers now prioritize candidates who can think critically and solve real-world problems over those with merely theoretical knowledge. As viewers, it is essential to recognize that success is not solely determined by the degrees we hold, but by our ability to adapt, create value, and apply knowledge effectively. This means seeking internships, engaging in continuous learning, and attending workshops to enhance one's skill set. In conclusion, the belief that degrees alone guarantee success is a misconception that can lead to frustration and disappointment. Dr. Mike's story serves as a reminder of the importance of prioritizing skills and real-world experience over academic titles. By embracing a mindset of lifelong learning and adaptability, individuals can better prepare themselves for evolving career challenges and ultimately achieve their professional goals. It's not just about acquiring knowledge. It's about how effectively we apply it to solve problems and create opportunities in an ever-changing world. Challenging the notion that education ends upon graduation is crucial in today's rapidly changing world. Many individuals believe that once they receive their diploma, their learning journey is complete. However, this mindset can be detrimental to both personal and professional growth. To illustrate, consider Michael, a computer science graduate who felt confident in his acquired knowledge. However, as technology rapidly evolved, he soon realized that the skills he learned in school were becoming obsolete. While his peers who embraced continuous learning thrived in their careers, Michael struggled to keep pace with industry advancements, leading to stagnation and missed opportunities. Michael's experience highlights the necessity of shifting towards a mindset of lifelong education. Continuous learning is not just a trend, it is a requirement in today's competitive job market. Industries are constantly evolving, and professionals must commit to ongoing education through courses, certifications, and self-directed learning to remain relevant. Staying updated with industry changes is critical for career advancement. For example, the tech sector experiences rapid transformations with artificial intelligence, machine learning, and cybersecurity redefining the landscape. Professionals who fail to keep their skills current risk becoming outdated, while those who invest in learning position themselves as valuable assets in the workforce. Michael eventually recognized the need for continuous learning and began attending industry conferences, taking online courses, and networking with peers. This proactive approach not only revitalized his career but also reignited his passion for his field. In conclusion, the idea that education ends at graduation is a misconception that can hinder long-term success. Michael's story serves as a reminder of the necessity of ongoing learning in a dynamic environment. By embracing continuous education, individuals can remain competitive, navigate industry changes, and seize new career opportunities. The pursuit of knowledge is lifelong, and a commitment to learning can lead to greater fulfillment and success in today's fast-paced world.